This up.
Ooh. What's happening, everybody? Welcome to Westport. Look at this. Wow. So we are out here. We're gonna be trying to catch some crabs, and we're doing a clam dig again tonight. The weather is pretty horrible. Let's see what happens. All right, what are you guys doing? You guys look like professionals.
Oh yeah, couple city slickers.
Couple city slickers out here. Oh yeah. Beautiful pair of city boots there. What you got there, Jordan?
Got my little cheap $20 crab pot ring.
Yeah, they say it works pretty good. It's supposed to be a castable one, I guess. And you're just gonna drop it off the edge.
Yep.
All right, cool.
Razor clams for bait.
Cool, and I think Chris over here, he got a proper ring. In the back of the truck here. That's a crab ring. We'll show you how they work once we get out there.
Throw a couple beers in that cooler.
Yeah, you gotta have the beverages in the cooler. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right back here, see where all these boats are. We'll walk over there in a moment. Probably getting water all over the screen. I can't help that. And we're gonna go on the docks and we're gonna see about catching crab. All right, so this is the docks that we go on. I've been doing this for many years, so you can see all the people out here. And year-round crabbing here, and you can, right now you can't use a pot, you can only use a ring. So a crabbing ring is what they're using. Pots you can lay in the water and let them sit for however long. Crabbing rings, you babysit for about 20 minutes, pull it up, check it, and then throw it back down. Even though the weather's bad, this is still awesome.
Bob, you gotta help us.
Do I? You guys don't know what you're doing?
Oh.
A little buoy. So what, you let it sit down there for like 10-15 minutes or so?
Yeah, so essentially, once you get it all baited up, you toss it over the edge, let it sit, hang out, drink a beer, and then pull it up. Yeah.
This is my kind of fishing right here.
It's pretty good, man.
I don't do well with ropes and knots and stuff.
There you go.
And then you put your bait in, and then when you pull it up, it collapses like that?
Yep.
Interesting.
Yep. So then you just drop it down flat on the bottom. You put your bait in the middle here with your bag, put your bait in there, and then cinch it up tight, because the sea lions will steal your bait.
Let's see how she goes.
All right. In she goes, the first one. This is the first time you ever done this?
No, I went out here with you once.
Oh, okay.
You and Yeti.
It's gonna be deep, the tide's high.
How do you know when you hit bottom?
It stops going down.
What if my shit gets stuck?
Just let it fall.
I don't know.
There you go. There, you're on bottom. It is a windy one today.
So I can just let her hang out?
Yeah, don't let her use your string. I'd tie it off on maybe something.
Yeah.
All right, so here we go. We got the first pull of the day. Jordan's pulling up his first crab pot of the day of his new folding crab pot that he doesn't know how to operate. Let's see what he gets. Yours is folding, so make sure you...
Yeah. How do I do this?
Just pull, pull, pull. Just keep on
What
pulling.
about all the 6 lines?
Yeah, we'll deal with that later. There you go. We got some, that's a big one there.
30 keepers?
We
Give me
can
the thing.
we can only keep the male dungeons.
So like this is probably the best prospect?
These
Yeah.
ones are too small.
What's
That one
this guy?
maybe.
How do you measure? That's a keeper?
Well, I don't. Is it 6 1/4
Or first off, is it male or female? How do you tell? Female's got the bob.
So
It's
that's
wider.
a female.
Ah.
Yeah, you got to toss that one back.
All right.
Another little guy.
All right, here, Chris.
Well, that was pretty good though. I mean, for the first pull.
Yeah.
Oh man, the tide came up. You might not even be on the bottom.
So Chris.
All right. Go out wide. Go out wide. They're getting away. Drop it back down a little bit. Yeah, all of them got out.
One red rock. Maybe try down there.
Got one little red rock. You know, Chris got one tiny little red rock. He got hung up a little bit. Some of them fell out. That's just the way it goes. But being that they fell out of that net, they were too small. So tossing it back in. We'll see if we get another one. So this is how you measure crabs. You take this, and I think it's 6-inch for dungies. I gotta look up the regs, but anyhow, you put these on the back of the crab. They got little points on the side. I'll show you on one, but you go in between. We got ourselves a little jellyfish swimming on by. Hey, little feller.
What is that, Bob?
Jellyfish.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, that might be a keeper, dude. Is it a male? It is a male.
It is a male.
Oh, where's the gauge? That's a keeper for sure, dude. All right, so the way you measure these is
From like there to there.
yeah, but you don't have to go on the tip, so you can go in between. And so this one is definitely 6 1/4.
6 1/4.
Yeah. He's going to check the regs. I'm pretty sure it's 6. It depends on where you're crabbing and what area. Like the Puget Sound is, I think you got to have them bigger. It's been a while since I've looked up the regs, but I'm not crabbing, so they are. I didn't need to look up the regs, but they're double checking. And hopefully just above 6 is the trick. That means we got a dungy. And it has to be a male. You got to throw the females back. Red rock, you can keep any sex. I think it's 5 3/4, but it's been a long time since I looked it up. It's a keeper. It's above 6 inches. Jordan can eat crabs tonight. What do we have here? We got a little sea lion. See him right there? These guys are cool, but sometimes they drive me nuts. When I'm out here, when I first started doing crabbing, they would come up and I didn't know what I was doing, and they would steal my crab bait because I didn't have it in a bait bag. You got to have it in a bait bag or a bait box, and they would come up and take it. I remember one time that I had a big old chunk of salmon carcass on there, and I saw one of them sea lions just flopping around playing with it. I was like, huh, that looks like my bait. Sure enough, he went down and stole my bait. Dang sea lions. That's all right. They got to eat too, I guess. Pretty cool to see though. Just like a little water puppy. Chris, your pot sucks.
I know. It does.
Yeah. Spent high dollar money on it. And you're not catching anything.
Little $20 pot. I think it's the bait.
Yep. Oh, there it goes. What we got? Is that a male?
That's a male.
All right. Did you get another keeper?
Oh no. Ow. Fast.
Yeah, poke him.
Fast.
All right, we got to be 6 inches.
How do I do it?
Right there.
Huh? From here to. Oh, that's
No,
way too
go to
small.
this side. There you
Huh?
go. Start on this side. Use that edge. There you
Oh.
go. And go.
Thing's in the way. How do I move this thing?
Well, just move this thing.
Trying.
You'd be stronger in the crab.
Yeah, dude.
Is that?
What you got?
I can't get this thing out of the way. This thing.
Well, just put the tip in it then. Just the tip. There you go.
What?
Just the edge.
This here?
Yeah. Like that. Where are we at?
Oh.
Way too short.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not even
a
close
male,
to
though.
6.
Good eating.
Oh shit, he's munching on that shit.
Oh, it's probably because you don't have no bait left.
I got no more bait.
Yeah.
You're out?
They took it out of the bag, yeah.
Well, the crabs came and took the rest of Chris's bait. So what are you going to do?
I'm gonna go to the store because
Go get more bait?
Can't do much without
What
bait,
time
right?
is it?
Huh?
What time is it?
2:15.
Oh, that's pretty early. All right. Well,
Yeah.
need more bait. Well, while they decided to keep on crabbing, I decided to come out here and give copper some time to run. Welcome to the Pacific Ocean again. It's awfully windy. Look at all this sand blowing. I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit, let copper do some running. Might actually have to hide in the truck. It's raining sideways and quite windy. And there he goes. All right, we're gonna hang out here for a little bit. They went to go get more crab bait, and the tide is up pretty high right now. I don't know if it's gonna keep on coming up anymore. I'll have to watch it, that way I don't swamp my truck here. You can see how close the water is getting already. But it should be either turning, the tide should be turning, or it's already on the way out. Okay, let Copper do some running. We are back on the road now. Got 2 crabs, and now our buddy's taking the crabs back with him because we only got 2, so he's gonna take them back and cook them. It's gonna be a little bit rough to get razor clams in this weather. We're gonna go out, check it out, give it a shot, see if we can, see what happens. A shovel?
Killing
Really?
it. Yeah, she was just like pounding it like this, and then she can see one, and then she just start digging barehanded in the hole and pull out. And I saw her like in a span of like 5 minutes pull out like 5 or 6 freaking
Really?
clams. Yeah,
That's impressive, man.
it was.
With a shovel. Nothing?
As the rain's falling, I'm seeing what I thought I was seeing. The rain
Oh.
hits the sand and creates a little.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Creates those the rain's doing that?
Yeah.
Oh,
Right there.
yeah. Oh, that's gonna make it really hard.
Yeah.
Holy crap. All right. I think I stumbled across it. There he is. All right, dude.
All right, where's your buddies?
Where are your buddies? That one wasn't too bad to find. Come on. Give me a sign of one. Give me a sign. Just give me a little hole. Oh. Oh boy. Huh. What's that?
Holy shit,
Yeah.
this is rough going tonight.
It is rough going tonight. Guess you can't win them all.
Yeah, I think I need a better light too.
Yeah.
We should get one of those big flashlights.
I got a spotlight in my truck.
Yeah, like a spotlight type thing. It's fun being out here for sure.
Oh, for sure. The rain's brutal. I don't even know where the truck's at. All right, well, that's a wrap. This weekend has been fun. Buddy caught 2 crabs. He took them home. You saw last night. We didn't do so good on razor clams. Out here on the coast. Oh, piece of trash. We'll grab that real quick. Always try to leave it better than you found it. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video. Last night was a little rough clam digging due to the rain and the wind. Here, letting Copper run around and just enjoying the sight. Tide's coming in. Hey, Cop. See you, Cop. All right, that's gonna do it for this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. On to the next adventure.